Today, on Cooking with Armadillos, we're making fried catfish. Start by mixing 1.5 cups of buttermilk with about a tablespoon or so of Tabasco sauce, however much you want, and dunking your catfish fillets in that. Let them marinate for at least 8 hours. Next, mix together 1/3 cup each of corn flour, regular flour, and cornmeal with 1/2 teaspoon ground cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon thyme. Then dredge your catfish fillets in that. If you have disposed of the body of one of your murder victims in a pond, I cannot emphasize enough, do not then fish in that pond. Catfish are bottom feeders, and you just don't want to get involved in that.
Come on, I'm with you.
Fry the fillets in hot oil. This is a lot easier to do if you have opposable thumbs. Serve the catfish hot like a stolen car.